I think we need something. We need to upgrade. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. So I'm in the process of setting up kind of a new area here to do some of my filming work so that I can kind of do Q&As and stuff with you guys, answer some questions, and demo some guitars and whatnot in a better space. So I've already gone ahead and cleaned this guy out because that's awful. We're going to take that guitar down, take that stand down, and I've got something pretty awesome that I'm going to replace it with. And as time goes on, we'll keep adding and whatnot and get this all set up. But for now, let's get this stuff out of the way. That's going to be fun. And put something better there. Well guys, that is it for this video. That is how you install the StringSwing, and that is step one in my new space stuff. So I'm gonna be doing a lot more to this area. We're gonna start doing some filming in here. I'm getting the stuff that I need slowly but surely. So there we go. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and yeah, if you're excited for how this space is gonna turn out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. As always, thanks for watching. Have a good one.